How's it going, everybody? This is Sean, and this time it is the video for eBay Scrapy Part 3. So let's see, we just stopped by the get keywords IDs, get keywords function. So this time we're going to look for the analyzing parts. First, before we start, why don't we look at the data, how it looks like, and like the function, how it works. So if you choose the ramen that we said, this is the get keywords part, and once you ask if the sellers want to explore more information based on the um, keyword that they entered, then actually this graph will pop up first. The category distribution, price distribution, start time, and sales day length, and yeah, we'll look out this one and how it looks like. Let me hide it for you. So first one first, we will ask if they want to explore more data. Like, I don't want to pop up the graph all the time if they are busy, and if when they want to just briefly look around all the data, then yeah, it takes too long time. So I divided it, and once they say yes, well, then we go yes. And let's see, where did it go? And they say yes. Here, cargo distribution. Just print it. Then cargo distribution. And so for here first, I want to show them the exact numbers into the text. So the value counts are 91%, and I don't want to show it like 0.91, so I made it normalize is true and by multiply by 100, so you can see it like this, and we can just refer it as this percentage. It is quite important to show this one when you show in the visualization. The dollars quantile 0 to 100. Well, I think I can change these numbers to the percentage as well. It looks quite not specific, so I don't like it. So yeah, let me upgrade it as well. But you can use the quantile, make the range of it of the specific data frame column. Okay, and the start and distribution, it looks so like weird in this text area, so I just put it as the graph. And day length, oh, do you remember that we made a new column, duration sales data length? We made it as same as quantile, same as the price with the quantile, and like the length of it and the percentage. Well, yeah, I need to change it, but I highly recommend you to put these just same as a graph. So the fig size is 1515. Make a figure first, and they might say that figure is not used, but yeah, I mean, for me it is easier to understand this code, so I used it. So first, we're going to make 4 graphs with the subplots. So 2 by 2, and this one is the first one here on the left top. Build the subplot, put the title, and make it pi. Let me show you this one. Small part here. minus pi plot. And CMap, like you can look for the pastel one, the CMap one. CMap is like the color map, so you can use the colors, and it is very important not to use just the nature color that uh, Matplotlib offer, because if you use it, then it's kind of eye-hurting and it's like disturbing to understand the whole data. So I highly recommend you to consider the colorings as well. And yeah, auto picked is like here. So auto pick is the percentage that I want to put on here, and the percent, and just one digit after the period here, after the dots. And the labels are not needed because it looks too, yeah, like this. And the time, legend is this part. So we gather the index of the category pi, because actually this category pi right now is abstract. So we need to make um, just specify as index. Like if they have 3 indexes, then put the 3 indexes over here, like that. So we need to draw in advance when we make the data frame. And location is upper right. Well, and the anchor is 111. You can just Google it to make the legend. It is tagged on the upper right here. Well, I still kind of want to put this one onto the blanket, a blank part, but yeah, we'll figure out too. And the Y label, I don't like it, so I just made it none. And the second subplot is price distribution over here, the title, and we use data from price column name here, and the kind of box plots, so we can see the maximum, minimum, quarters, and the median without outliers. So show flyers means that do not show the outliers as false. When you choose false, then it will not show the outlier with the X marks. The labels, none. Yeah, I don't like the labels for here because we want to see just briefly. Because for the sellers, they don't have time to put search the item for the like couple of hours, so it's so long. So and the third one is here, time distribution. Data frame, we use the data frame as start time, histogram, so we can see the distributions. Well, colors, I like this color I'm matching with the upper CMAP. So light green means that 30, and for the X ticks, they might have been overlapped, so I tilted it a little bit, like 30 degrees. So yeah, it's quite easy peasy, right? And for the last one is subplot here. Well, right now it looks overlapped, but it is meant to be like here. So, or you can use like, what was it? The graph tight. Yeah, let me look for this one again. And yeah, so it's easy. Just show the histogram here. And this time I didn't show you the color, like specifically the color. So this here looks quite okay, but here you can see the bright blue color. It kind of just drags our old site here, so we can get distracted. Okay, so I highly recommend you to consider the colors together when you make the graphs. So for the last thing, I want to see um, Matplotlib tight layout. Yeah, there was tight layout. So the tight layout makes your plots with the gaps without overlaps things. So let me see this again. Just the padding, yeah, the gaps between and around subplots. So choose type layout. show application. And leave it. Yeah, let's just run it together. And yes, I want to see the data. And boom, here doesn't look. Oh, the type layout makes the gets over here overlap as well. It doesn't look good, man. Hmm. Hmm. It should be the headings or something. Avoid cutting gaps. Yeah, let's see. Where's feed? Cutting gaps. Try this. If it doesn't work, please comment it so we can look around. Well, actually, I have done it in the Django project, but I don't know why it happens differently within this graph. So yeah, I'll comment it again as well together. So let's say again, comment. Yeah, go. Hmm, it's not good. Well, yeah, I need to put it on again, but yeah, for the BG for, for you. So yeah, I'll comment it as well. So yeah, try it again. A leaf, question is no, and print. If there's no yes or no, then yeah, we'll ask him again. And then next thing that we will look for one is the get related items function. In here, we're going to the data for about the related items. Well, I didn't touch it a lot, so yeah, we can explore it together. And let's look at the next one. And thank you for watching this, and see you around again. Thank you.